Welcome back on this Friday. The Taste of Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival now underway. You can enjoy flowers and food, and you can have a whole lot of fun. And John Zaccaria, BigFatPanda.com, got a preview. You're so lucky. You get to do all the cool stuff with your job.
It is a good job. It's a good gig if you can get it.
So tell me, what did you experience this year? What were your favorites?
Okay, first of all, Epcot looks great. I mean, the weather yesterday was really good. It wasn't too hot, too cold. The topiaries look absolutely amazing. No new topiaries, but there was a new prehistoric garden. I didn't get to see it, but that's supposed to be pretty cool. And the food, it was like a whirlwind of stuff going on.
So, okay, so to explain the food. Is it set up sort of like the food festival in the fall? How is it different, or is it more of the same?
Because they're calling it, still the Taste of, it's not the full festival. You have the World Showplace that has kitchens and then the outdoor kitchens. But like something that I had yesterday was an onion soup. Now, when we think onion soup, we think of French onion soup. This was like a creamy soup, and the color was slightly off-putting, but when you taste it, it was amazing. Get the onion soup.
Okay. Speaking of which, when's the Ratatouille ride going to open?
You know what? We don't know, but it's got to be soon.
I hope so.
It was almost done like 8 months ago when we had a preview, so it's going to be soon.
Yeah, okay, that's something Epcot needs, is more rides, I think. Okay, let's talk about Blizzard Beach, because this is one of my favorite water parks. You went and checked it out?
I did, and I haven't been there in like 4 years. For some reason, I always end up at Typhoon Lagoon. Blizzard Beach was refreshed and renewed. I mean, I did see it without people, so that was a plus, but it looks brand new. And it reminded me how great Blizzard Beach is, so I do want to go back. They're also trying to up the food over there too, and usually we don't think of a water park with like having good food.
Right, okay, so it opens this weekend, is that right?
It opens on Sunday, yeah.
And then what do you need to know about water parks in the pandemic? Because you think like, oh, I'm at a water park. How do I wear a mask at a water park? How does that work?
I really don't think it's possible. They do want you to have your mask on, when you're not in the water, but it's going to be very difficult for them to enforce anything because you're always playing or doing something water related there. So I think it's going to be hard. I think if they do good with the social distancing and the limiting of the park attendance, we'll be fine because there's big open areas in Blizzard Beach. You don't feel like you're on top of each other there.
Right. And then what about Typhoon Lagoon? Do we know when it's going to open?
No, but I can't wait for that. That's another one that's, it feels like Gilligan's Island. It's just a tropical getaway. It's great.
It is. They're both great water parks, and we love you. BigFatPanda.com is the website. Great to see you, John. As always, thank you.
Thank you.